Now the first step is to open Google Chrome, and then you can go to view option at the top and then uncheck the box which says always show toolbar in full screen, or you can press Command Shift and F key. When you press Command Shift and F key, that will help you to put a check or uncheck this option. So you can uncheck this always show toolbar in full screen. You can uncheck it. Once this is unchecked, that should fix the problem. Still not working. In that case, you can open Google Chrome, go to click on these three dots over here, and then go to settings. Go to settings over here, and then go to about option at the bottom left. Here you can see about Chrome, and let the update complete. So if there is any update, let the update complete. Once the update is complete, you can relaunch Chrome and then you can check. Still not working. In that case, the last step is to you can install Chrome beta. So you can go to Chrome website and you can search in Google Chrome beta, and then you can download this Chrome beta and you can install this Chrome beta on your computer. Once you install it on your Mac, you can use Chrome beta and that should fix the problem. So you can install it. In my case, it is already installed. Once you install it, so I already have it. So you can use Chrome beta and then you can check. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.